Okay, a Christmas New Year's dinner video with the Food and Garden channel. What you see here is some sausages. The rack in the front is sheep meat, pork meat, and beef all mixed. And you see a few in the back there. That's just simply pork. Homemade. Right here's some sheep fat. I might make some pork rinds out of them and call them sheep rinds. If you like pork skin, you know what I'm talking about. Right here's some sheep shoulder steaks. I'll show you one here. Marinating. Got a whole bucket full. Right here's a tub full of pork. Man, that's going to be good on the smoker. We're going to call that bacon. Now, it's a little different in Eastern Europe, guys. You see those 6 dishes there? That's pork jelly with pig ears, pig noses, hog jaws, you name it, in jelly. I run through this dessert on you that everybody likes so well. This is oatmeal with orange peeling shredded, lemon peeling shredded, mixed with walnuts. It's not bad. Let's go in here. This is an interesting table. Pecan pie, you can't beat it. Sheep ribs, you can't beat them, they're good. But right here is kind of like a pickled dessert. It's potatoes, carrots, parsnip, parsley, all those roots, and mixed in with some type of cream that they fixed, a little bit of pepper and eggs and pickles on top. They're very good. Right here's an interesting one. That right there is a belly of a sheep stuffed with hog jaw, souse meat, and sheep belly. Give it a try. I think I'll pass. Alright, here's some more intestines, show full of you name it. These people, they're very creative. I don't know if there's pork meat, sheep meat. Anyway, it's wrapped in intestines, and here's another one. I'm not sure what it is, but some type of meat wrapped in intestines. I mean, they go all out for Christmas and New Year's over here. It's a bang. And here's some sauerkraut. Looks like some cheese melted on top. They'll probably stuff that in peppers and bake it. So I wanted to share a little bit of what we're having for Christmas and New Year's dinner. Thanks for watching.